Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your Google account is set to the United Arab Emirates and you are signed in on the Play Store app. Next, decide whether you will use a UAE Google Play gift card, add a local debit or credit card, or enable carrier billing if your operator supports it. Once decided, buy an official UAE gift card from a reputable retailer or reseller. Keep the receipt and code handy so you can redeem immediately, and avoid expired or region-mismatched codes. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon, then tap Payments and Subscriptions. If you have a gift code, choose Redeem Code and carefully enter the characters exactly as printed. Once accepted, the balance updates immediately. If adding a card, pick Payment Methods and add credit or debit card, then follow your bank's verification flow. This might include an SMS OTP or small temporary authorization. Once the method is verified, make sure it appears as a valid payment option in your account before buying. After redeeming or adding a card, return to Payments and Subscriptions and confirm your Play balance or new payment method is listed. Use the balance for apps, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. Play will apply it automatically at checkout. If your balance did not update or payment fails, clear the Play Store cache, sign out and back in, and verify your account country settings. If a gift code is invalid, contact the retailer, and if card verification fails, contact your bank to approve international or Google Play transactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.